Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review for you, the Seenda wireless keyboard in a stunning shade of purple. If you're in the market for a new keyboard that combines style, functionality, and convenience, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the Seenda wireless keyboard's design. It features a sleek and modern look with round keycaps that give it a retro touch. The purple color adds a pop of vibrancy to your workspace, making it stand out. One standout feature of this keyboard is its wireless connectivity. It comes with a 2-in-1 USB-A/C receiver, allowing you to connect it to Windows computers with USB-A or Type-C ports. The working distance is an impressive 32 feet, so you have plenty of flexibility. Now, here's something that sets it apart: this keyboard is rechargeable. It comes with a high-quality built-in rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for disposable AA or AAA batteries. This not only saves you money but also contributes to a greener environment. The keyboard comes with a Type-C charging cable, making it easy to keep it charged up and ready to go. Plus, there's a power indicator light that lets you know the battery status. Typing noise can be distracting, especially in a shared workspace. The Seenda wireless keyboard features scissor switch, low-profile keys that reduce typing noise by up to 95%. Whether you're in the office, at home, or a public area, you won't disturb others. This keyboard offers a full-size layout with a number pad, perfect for those who need it for work or calculations. It also includes 15 hotkeys that provide quick access to functions like copy, paste, screen lock, and media controls. And if you prefer the traditional function keys, there's an FN lock option. The Seenda wireless keyboard comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. However, it's essential to note that it's fully compatible with Windows computers and laptops with USB-A or Type-C ports. While it's not fully compatible with Mac OS, it's still a great choice for Windows users. In conclusion, the Seenda wireless keyboard in purple is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a stylish, eco-friendly, and functional keyboard for your Windows PC or laptop. Its wireless connectivity, rechargeable battery, and quiet typing make it a standout option in its price range. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with the Seenda wireless keyboard, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable. Until next time, happy typing.